Controversy continuing tonight in the custody battle involving that 6-year-old Cuban boy in Miami, but now a new twist to report. A prominent Chicago divorce attorney is saying that he's been contacted by officials of the Cuban government and may represent the boy's father. Jack Kennedy joins us now with more on all of this. Jack?
Walter, Nancy, in virtually any other instance, this would be an open and shut case. Elian Gonzalez would be returned to his father in Cuba. But this case involves Fidel Castro, the Cuban-American community in the United States, and the tortured politics that have made the boy a poster child in Cuba and Miami. In Cuba, the protests continue, apparently with the encouragement of the government. The fate of 6-year-old Elian Gonzalez has now become a personal cause for Cuban leader Fidel Castro. Enter Jeffery Leving, the outspoken Chicago attorney who champions father's rights. Leving has been contacted by people inside and outside of Cuba who want him to get involved.
This boy, I believe, is still adrift, but adrift emotionally in a sea of strangers. And he needs to be reunited with not only his father, but his classmates, his friends, and a familiar environment so he can heal emotionally.
Leving says the trauma of Elian's ordeal, being plucked from an inner tube off the shores of Florida after watching his mother and stepfather drown, is far from over. And the efforts by both the Cuban government and Cuban exiles in Miami to politicize his plight have only made matters worse.
Oftentimes, people have approached me, and specifically fathers, and they've asked me, is it worth the pain and agony and great expense to fight for one's child? And all I have to do is look at that child and say, absolutely, it was worth it. Are you happy living with your dad?
Yes. Mm-hmm.